This is impossible. There are too many choices.
Don't panic. We just got here. You have plenty of time.
I don't feel like I have time. The date is tonight. Tonight! I usually plan my restaurant menus weeks in advance. But for my own clothes, I have no plan.
That's why I'm here. You help me with coffee advice, and I help you with fashion. It's a fair trade. Now, take a deep breath.
Okay. You're right. I'm just nervous.
It's just a first date. Why are you so stressed? You talk to people all day at your restaurants.
That's different. That is business. I'm confident when I talk about food. I know every ingredient. I know how to manage the staff. But a date? I have to sell myself, not a menu item. And honestly, I haven't been on a first date in a long time.
I understand. It's normal to feel anxious, but looking good helps you feel good. If you like your outfit, you'll feel more confident. So, what is the plan? What is the vibe for tonight?
The vibe?
The atmosphere, the feeling. Where are you taking her? That decides what you should wear.
Ah, the venue! I chose a nice place in the city center. It's a modern bistro. Not too fancy, no white tablecloths. But it's not a fast food place either. They serve local ingredients. The lighting is dim and romantic.
Okay, that's good information. So, smart casual.
Smart casual? That is a confusing term. Is it smart or is it casual?
It's in the middle. You want to look like you made an effort, but you don't want to look like you are going to a business meeting. No suits, no ties, but no old t-shirts either.
Okay, smart casual. Let's look at this rack here. What do you think about this one?
That one?
Yes, it's black. Black is safe, right? It looks very professional.
It is very professional. Too professional. That is a dress shirt for a tuxedo. See the collar? It's very stiff. And the fabric is shiny. If you wear that, she might think you are the waiter.
Oh no, I definitely do not want that. I'm a restaurateur, but I want to be a guest tonight. Okay, no shiny black shirts.
Let's look at some colors. You have a warm personality. You should wear something that looks friendly. How about blue? Or maybe a nice olive green?
I like blue. Blue is a calm color. Maybe it will help me stay calm.
Here, look at this one. It's a light blue button-down shirt. The fabric is cotton, so it breathes. It won't be too hot.
Can I touch it?
Of course. Feel the texture.
Oh, that is nice. It's soft. It feels a little casual, but the collar is structured.
Exactly. It's an Oxford shirt. It's a classic style. It says, "I am relaxed, but I have good taste." Why don't you try it on?
Okay, I'll go to the fitting room. Please wait here. Don't leave me!
I'm not going anywhere. Go.
Okay, I have it on.
Come out. Let me see the fit.
Well, what do you think?
Turn around, please.
Like this?
Okay. The color is great. It really brings out your eyes. But look at the shoulders.
The shoulders? What's wrong with them?
The seam, the line here, is dropping down your arm. It's too wide. It makes the shirt look too big. It looks a little bit messy.
Ah, I see. It feels loose, too. There's too much fabric around my waist. I look like a box.
It's just the wrong cut. That is a regular fit. You are in good shape from walking around your restaurants all day. You need a slim fit or a tailored fit.
Tailored fit? Does that mean I need a tailor to fix it?
No. It's just the name of the style. It means the shirt is narrower at the waist. It follows the shape of your body better. Let me find the same shirt in a medium, slim fit. Here we go. Try this one.
Thank you. You are very patient. If I were doing this alone, I would have bought the big boxy shirt and looked terrible.
That's what friends are for. Go try it on.
While I change, can I ask you a question?
Sure, I'm listening.
Do you think I should bring flowers? Or is that too much?
That's a good question. For a first date? A huge bouquet of red roses? No, that's too intense. It puts too much pressure on her.
Okay, no red roses. I don't want to be intense.
But a single flower? Or a very small, simple bunch of wildflowers? That can be sweet. It shows you were thinking about her. But honestly, you don't need them. The best gift is good conversation and being a good listener.
Good conversation. I can do that. I can talk about the food, right?
Careful. Don't critique the food too much. You are a professional. If you complain about the sauce or the cooking, you might sound negative. Just enjoy the meal.
You're right. I need to turn off my restaurateur brain. Okay, I'm coming out.
Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free English ebook before it's gone.
Wow.
Is it good?
It's perfect. Look in the mirror. See the difference?
Oh, yes. The shoulders sit right here at the edge, and the waist isn't loose. I feel taller.
It improves your posture. You look confident. The blue is definitely your color.
What about the sleeves? Are they too long?
Let me see. Put your arms down. They are just a little bit long. They cover half your hand.
Is that a problem?
Not really. Here's a trick. Since it's a smart casual date, you can roll the sleeves up.
Roll them up? Like I am going to wash dishes?
No, not that high. Just fold the cuff up twice, below the elbow. It looks relaxed. It says, "I'm here to have a good time." Here, let me show you. Fold once, and fold again. There. How does that feel?
It feels good. My arms feel free, and I can see my watch.
Exactly. It looks stylish. So, is this the winner?
Almost. I like it, but is it too plain? It's just solid blue. Maybe I should wear a pattern to show my personality.
We can try a pattern. Patterns are fun, but they are also risky.
Let's just look. I saw a shirt over there with little pineapples on it.
Pineapples?
Yes, I like fruit. I work with food. It's funny.
No pineapples. Save the funny shirts for the third date. Or maybe a beach party. For the first date, simple is better. You want her to look at your face, not your shirt.
You are right. No pineapples. But maybe stripes?
Stripes can work. Let's look at the rack next to the fitting room. Here is a striped one. Thin, vertical stripes, white and blue.
It looks nice. Very clean.
Vertical stripes, lines that go up and down, are good. They make you look slimmer. Horizontal stripes, lines that go across, can sometimes make you look wider.
This fabric feels different. It's a bit rougher?
It's linen, or a linen blend.
Linen? Is that good?
Linen is very cool. It's great for summer, but it wrinkles very easily.
Wrinkles? You mean lines in the fabric?
Yes, if you sit down in the car or sit at the dinner table, the shirt will get creased. By the end of the date, you might look a bit messy.
Oh, I don't want that. I will be nervous, so I might be moving around a lot. I need a shirt that stays smooth.
Then let's stick with the cotton Oxford, the blue one you have on. It resists wrinkles better than linen.
Okay, the blue cotton shirt is the winner. I feel good about it.
Now, what are you wearing on your bottom half?
These pants? They are my comfortable pants.
Those are cargo pants. They have pockets on the knees.
Yes, they are very practical. I can put my keys, my wallet, my phone, a snack.
You do not need a snack in your pocket for a dinner date. You are going to a restaurant.
That's a good point. So, no cargo pants?
No cargo pants. Do you have jeans?
I have jeans.
What kind? Are they light blue? Do they have holes in them?
They are dark blue. Dark indigo, I think. No holes, no rips.
Perfect. Dark denim looks dressy. It matches the smart casual code perfectly. The light blue shirt with dark blue jeans? That is a great combination.
Blue shirt, rolled sleeves, dark jeans. What about shoes? I have my running shoes.
Oh no. We were doing so well. No running shoes. Running shoes are for the gym.
But they are comfortable. We might go for a walk after dinner.
You can walk in other shoes. Do you have leather boots? Or maybe clean white sneakers? Not running shoes, but fashion sneakers?
I have a pair of brown leather boots. I usually wear them in the winter.
Brown leather boots will look fantastic with the blue shirt. Brown and blue are complementary colors. They look great together. Just make sure they are clean.
I'll polish them as soon as I get home.
Good. So, we have the full outfit. How are you feeling now?
Honestly, I feel much better. When I walked in here, I felt lost. I was looking at all these clothes and I just saw fabric. I didn't see a look.
It can be overwhelming.
But now, I can visualize it. I can see myself walking into the restaurant. I know I will look appropriate. It's one less thing to worry about. Now I can just worry about everything else.
Everything else? Like what?
What if we run out of things to say? What if I spill soup on my new shirt? What if my credit card doesn't work?
Stop. Stop spiraling.
Sorry. The anxiety is coming back.
Listen to me. You are a great guy. You are kind, you are successful, and you have great friends. And you are going to look very handsome in this shirt.
You really think so?
I know so. And about the conversation, just ask questions. People love to talk about themselves. Ask her about her hobbies. Ask her what food she likes.
I can do that. I love talking about food.
And if you spill soup on your shirt, just laugh.
Laugh?
Yes, accidents happen. If you get angry or embarrassed, it makes things awkward. If you laugh and say, "Oops, I guess I was hungry," it shows you have a sense of humor. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about handling mistakes calmly.
That is very wise advice. Are you sure you are just a barista? You sound like a therapist.
Bartenders and baristas are the poor man's therapists. We listen to people's problems all day.
Well, I appreciate it. I really do. I'm going to buy this shirt.
Great. The register is over there. Oh, wait.
What? What is it? Is there a hole in the shirt?
No, look. There is a belt rack.
A belt? I don't need a belt. My jeans fit fine.
A belt isn't just to hold your pants up. It's an accessory. It finishes the outfit. If you are tucking the shirt in, you need a belt.
I was going to leave the shirt untucked.
With the Oxford shirt? It's better tucked in for a date. It looks sharper. And if you tuck it in, you need a belt. What color were your boots?
Brown.
Then you need a brown belt. The rule is, your belt should match your shoes. Black shoes, black belt. Brown shoes, brown belt.
I didn't know that rule. I've been dressing myself for 25 years, and I didn't know that.
See? You are learning every day. Here's a simple brown leather belt. It matches the boots you described.
Okay, I'll take it. Shirt and belt. I'm ready.
So, what time is the date?
7 o'clock. I have 3 hours. I need to go home, shower, shave, polish my boots.
You have plenty of time. Don't rush. Rushing makes you sweat. You don't want to sweat in the new shirt.
Good point. I will move slowly and calmly, like a sloth.
Maybe a little faster than a sloth.
Okay, I have the bag. I have the armor.
The armor?
Yes, the clothes are my armor. They protect me from looking foolish.
You're going to be great. Just be yourself. The version of yourself that wears cool blue shirts.
Thank you again. I owe you a coffee. No, I owe you a lunch. Come by the restaurant next week. On the house.
I will definitely do that. I want to hear the full report about the date. I want to know everything.
If it goes badly, I might not want to talk about it.
It won't go badly. And if it does, we can just eat good food and complain about it.
That sounds like a good backup plan. Okay, I am going to the station. Wish me luck.
Good luck. You look great.
Thank you. See you later.